Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stacey, and if this is your first time joining me, please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And if you're already subscribed, thank you. I really appreciate it. So for today's video, I'm going to do full bangs. Yeah, I have this hair laying around and I don't know what to do with it, and I think this style is going to be perfect with that hair. So let's keep watching. So as you can see, I'm going to do like 2 buns, and the reason is the hair I'm going to use is very short. So if I'm just going to do 1 bun, then the bangs wouldn't fall perfectly on my forehead. So I decided to do 2 buns, 1 at the back and 1 in front. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but as the video goes on, you see what I'm talking about. So to slick down your hair, you're going to need a gel. For me, I use the olive oil eco styler gel, and of course you have to sprinkle your hair with some water just to add some moisture and to make it easy to manage, and then that's it. Just a word of caution: if you decide to make this style, try to make the buns very small, because it was so stressful to cover them up, because I think I didn't really make them small. So if you want to try this, make your buns very small. So I just went ahead and covered up my hair with a satin scarf so it can get dry, and I'll be right back. So this next step, you're just going to need your weave and some bobby pins. That's it, very simple. And you're just going to place the hair around the bun and then secure with a bobby pin. So you're just going to keep placing the hair around the bun and securing with the bobby pin until it's done, and then you go ahead. The same process is done in front. You just place the hair and secure with the bobby pin, and then keep placing it all around the bun until the hair is complete, and then yeah, you start styling to your desired taste. If you noticed, I haven't covered up the bun in front just because I'm trying to get the quantity of hair that I'll need for my bangs before I do that. So I just hold it up and try to get the amount of hair that I need in front. So I'll be covering the bun the last thing. So I'm just separating the hair so to get more definition and coverage and to see how it's gonna look. So I proceeded to wet my hands just so that as I separate the curls, it's going to be more defined and just like fall in place. You know, water and curly hair are good friends. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment box below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.